Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I had some problems going live to do the drawing, so for the model Leafu, the Modelones Leafu gel kit. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on here. But before I do that, I wanted you to take a look at my nails and my cuticles. I've mostly been using it on here and a little bit on here because I ran out, obviously. It was just a little tester that IMK Nails has. This is now available on her website, so you might want to hop over and give it a try. It has, I don't know, B7, coconut oil. I don't even know. You'll have to go over there and read it, but it is so nice. My nails have grown. They're a lot stronger. There is no chipping or anything on these, no peeling. Yeah, so I use this along with the BioBase, which is also a new product. Yeah, I don't have a lot left. I put my order in today, so you might want to get yours in before they're all gone. But I suggest you hop over and at least give them a try. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this. If you did not win, do not be discouraged. I had 14 people who said enter me on my on my video, and I have all their names on here, and we're going to just push that. I'm going to tap that in just a moment and see who wins this. Yay! So anyway, it was for the Modelones Leafu gel kit. You can go back and take a look at the video if you'd like, but let me go ahead and just press this and see who won. I prefer this to giving people numbers. Ms. Monica M. Ms. Monica, you won this. Thank you so very much for joining in on this giveaway. I need you to, if you are on Instagram, you can DM me there. Gigi Nailin Stuff, or you can contact me. I don't think they let you do it on YouTube anymore, but you can contact me through Messenger on Facebook, which is Gigi Catherine. Is it Gigi? I think it's Gigi Catherine Dooley. That information will be down below, so you should be able to contact me any of those ways. You have 48 hours to contact me, or I will have to draw again. All right. Congratulations to Ms. Monica. If you did not win, do not be discouraged. I don't have gel things, but I do have more things for giveaway. I actually have set aside enough for 3 different giveaways, so be on the lookout for those. Again, Ms. Monica, thank you so very much, and congratulations. We'll catch you guys later. As always, be kind and be creative.